what we are calling value-added distribution. What do we mean in ICT? Because, the whole world started, we used to sell products. Then we moved on to selling products and services. Then we moved on to selling products, services, and solutions. And now we sell products, services, solutions, consulting, etc., etc. So what we sell in the ICT value-added distribution is that we sell a complete concept. We sell strategically, because whatever we sell today has to scale up depending on the end user industry. So it is a strategic selling. It's a strategic selling which obviously has agile technology, consulting, the pricing models will change. The platform should be able to adopt new technologies, etc., etc. For example, when, as was alluded to in the last session, when quantum technologies actually come in, all our computers, the computers which we use today, including the one I'm holding in my hand, are completely going to get obsolete. So it's going to be a completely different method of computation. So you have the 0-1, there's no 0-1 there. It's a continuous function, like 0-1.
So we have, in last session, we have gone through multiple products. We have understood networking, we have understood CCTV, we have understood certain solutions. But what as a partner you need? You need a platform wherein you consolidate a solution, you translate into maybe RFP, or you translate into a final outcome, and then you need somebody who can handhold you in terms of, commercialize it, to align OEM for you. That's wherein we play a role as a IRIS. So for IRIS perspective, when it comes to value-added distribution, we have kind of, complete basket of products, which is, today we are discussing ICT. What is ICT? ICT landscape is growing very, very fast. Today we have, funds in government perspective, everywhere we see funds. We see funds in education, whether it's rural development or you see data center. Then what you need, how do you, when you have opportunity, when you have customers with you, from where you get that solution. That's wherein we play a role. When it comes to education, we have a complete basket of solutions, starting from, it could be display, it could be video conferencing, or it could be integrating with the software solution. We handhold a partner, introducing them to the OEM, getting them exclusive support, a team of experts to get them the solution done, and then finally to help them to execute the order, and maybe on the technical front also.
So apart from the distributions, so we have a venture where I am one of the co-founders along with Mr. Vandari as a value-added venture. Then we also, as ma'am has said, that it required a lot of activity in terms of government initiative in the Make in India. We started our manufacturing for interactive display in Greater Noida. Then we also acquired one of the startups recently from IIT Delhi for our smart gear product lines. So as a group, we have now very, very focused on the value systems. I'm not going to touch upon what are the product side of it. I think a lot of Gyan is already covered in the OEM side and the other sides. But very, very important key factor today, it is not only India but the global phenomenon, is the value chain. Value chain is not the OEM, not the distributions. Value chain is majorly focused on how, as an ecosystem partner, we can support to the end customer.
Most of the things they have covered. But what I understand is most of the metros we have a very, the capable partner. Those have all the capabilities of installation, RFP, and so on and so forth, everything. What I understand is in the upcountry market, the T1 like us has a major role to play to educate the partner in terms of the products mix, whether they are moving towards a cloud-based services or not, whether their portfolios are having a security products or not, or maybe enterprise product. Because what we have seen in the last so many years, we all have started our journey from a PC or maybe the component seller and the retail and the distribution partner. But the time has changed a lot since we have seen, a lot of AI conversation. So it is really very important to educate in the breadth of the country to the partner their portfolio should be actually cover of an enterprise product, especially on a security side, cloud-based services, so that they can keep moving.